What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to tell you how to change out your stock RT non-paddle shifters. I mean, this can work for your SXT or whatever you want, but I have no paddle shifters right now, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing you're going to want to do, roll down your windows. I don't know how much this can really affect it, but your window drops, so you want to have that rolled down, otherwise you're not going to have any power to it. Second thing, well, you can't really see because I already disconnected the battery, but you're going to want to disconnect the positive terminal from your battery. As you can see, I got the a rag under that so that it doesn't make contact. And you can see no lights on, so we are good to go. Now the second thing you want to do is you're going to want to hop inside here and get ready for the fun. Now you're gonna, the reason why you want the battery disconnected is because we're gonna have to pull out this airbag, and we don't want this blowing up in our face. So as you can tell, all the power's drained. I let mine sit overnight. Just make sure that we didn't have any issues. So now what you're gonna want to do back here, I'm not sure how well you can see it, there's a plastic covering here by your buttons for your music control, volume, etc. Also, you might want to telescope this. If yours is battery powered, telescope it before you unplug your battery. Now if you see on this side, I'm not sure how well you can see it, I already took off my covering. There's a silver screw that takes a T20 bit, so we're gonna go ahead and take that out, and I'll unscrew that T20 bit right here, and then I'll proceed to do that on the other side, and then I'll come back to you guys once I have that taken apart, and I'll show you the next step. Alright guys, we're back. The lighting's still not perfect, so what I've done is I've popped out the screw in here, so now this can come freely. And same thing on here, the screw is, if you see where that hole is, I popped that out. There's a T20 screw in there. You pop that out. That makes this where this will come out. That doesn't matter too much yet, so now what we want to do, you can see right in there, there's a small hole on each side. Small hole on that side, small hole on that side. It's right, for me, it's right under my little column right here and to the side. I don't know how well you can make it out, but so next what we're going to want to do, I heard basically this is the worst part of it. Worst part of trying to fix this or do this is this part right here. So I'm gonna spend a minute or two on it, then I'll cut to when I get it. So basically, I'll show when I'm done, if I get it. You're looking for a wire that you have to push on, or not. It may not necessarily be a wire, but a small metal rod. So I'm going to fiddle with this. I heard some people have spent half an hour to an hour on it. Some people can get it just like that. I'm sure it kind of varies on what you use. And try the other side, see if I have any better luck. Don't know if I got that or not. Kind of felt like something pushed in. Alright, so anyways, I'll cut back to when I figure this out, and then I'll show you guys the correct steps on doing it. Okay guys, we're back with the first side. As you can tell, that's peaked out. So what I did, I found a bigger tweaker screwdriver. That's what I'm using. It looks like a Stanley. And I came in about like an angle facing towards your steering, away from your steering column, just angled like that. And I pushed it. You can feel something moving a little bit. You keep pushing harder. It feels like it's nothing. You're just gonna break shit. And I got it. So as you can tell, that's popped out now. So I gotta do the other side, and I'll get back to you when we get it. Actually, you know what? We'll see if we can get it on cam. There's not too many good YouTube videos on how to remove the airbag. Usually it's either somebody playing music, like not talking, or just not, you know, elaborating on how to do it too much to what I've seen. Oh god. But I personally think that's pretty stupid. How can you make a instructional video on something you don't talk and explain about? How did you come out? Like I said, it is not easy. I spent 10 minutes on one side. Oh, I found it. That's gotta be it. Oh, you fucking demounted. Oh, you are joking me. Oh, I got it. So slowly you keep pushing around, angling around your screwdriver, and you'll feel something kind of spongy, and that's what you want to do. So now you can pull your airbag down, and holy crap, that was easier than I thought. Oh, that time it's way less long. So you're gonna take out this black, I don't remember if it's T15, T10, or what? Let's try T15. Yes, T15. You're gonna want to take this T15 out, that T15 out, and then, so what that's gonna do is allow you to remove this and that, so you can access the other screw that's holds this. I think that's what it was. No, it's not. Actually, that allows you to free this connector. So apparently I don't know how to talk today. So far you only need a T15. I bought mine from Home Depot. It was like $8. I just bought it online, let it ship here. Not that difficult in reality. So I believe that should let us. Why are you not popping out, bro? Is there another screw I need to take out? Let me check here, boys. Oh yeah. Actually, there's another black screw. I lied. We missed a step. There's another black screw right by your silver one. I believe you need to take that out as well. So let me stop being illiterate for a second, boys. If I unscrew the wrong size. Alright, so we're back. I'm done being silly. There's another black screw that you need to pop out, and that's a T20. The rest of the stuff's T15s. That allows you to move that out of the way. So now what you see here, we've got this. We've got your wire leading from your whatchamacallit, your back little panel to this connector. So what we're gonna do now, you push on it, pull out. Now we're going to Pull that out. Be careful, because we want to keep this just in case stuff doesn't work. There we are. So yeah, there's a black and a silver. So now, when you take our T20, go for this black one on your camera view, the right hand side there. You can see where that silver piece is and that black piece is. Can I see it very well though? Not really. This is why you don't give a 20-year-old tools, because you will break so much stuff. Honestly though, did pretty good. Haven't marred or destroyed anything yet. This is fairly simple when you can get the airbag out, but the worst part of it is removing the airbag. But oh, I lost the screw for a second. I about had a damn stroke. So we'll put our T20s there. Switch. This is just a little 4-piece T15, T20, T10, T25 tool. It's not bad. Gets the job done. So yeah, you'll need a T15, T20. That's all the tools you need besides about tweak your screwdriver. I like that thicker one. Definitely did a better job than the other. And so now we're gonna pull this right here. Move that out of the way. Now, this black connector here. We're going to disconnect. I'm gonna put that down for a second. I've seen other people just keep screwing with it with one hand and the camera's just shaking. No point. So now, as you can see, there's that little slot here. You're gonna pull your connector out and through. And now yours are completely out. Your airbag's removed. So now our next step will be to put the paddle shifters in. So we gotta go find and see if the mail ever gave us our paddle shifters, boys. All right, guys, we're back. It is now Monday. We last saw each other on good old Saturday. Turns out my paddle shifters didn't come in like I want them to. Now here they are. There's a plus. So I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do, and I'll kind of show you play-by-play as I do it. So first, you're gonna want to see how your connector's here. You're gonna want to take your connector, feed it through this hole right here. Please don't mind the shaking or anything like that. Apparently I forgot to charge my GoPro, and my other one ran out of juice, even though it says at 50%, then it went down to 3. So I'm gonna shimmy this, and like so. Pull that into place. Now your paddle shifter should sit flush like that. Now it won't stay still until we screw everything in. So what you're going to want to do is take this cable, route it back and behind this black piece right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for both sides. I'm going to route this in. You're going to want to snap this connector into the black one that you had originally unsnapped right there. And then so I'm going to go ahead, snap that connector in. Then I'm going to screw back in from the back this my T20 and my T15. So we will be right back when that's taken care of. All right, guys, we're back. So we've got this screwed in. So remember, first there's a black screw on your right hand side right where this is. You're gonna screw this plating in first before you screw in your paddle shifters yourself. And to keep in mind, you want to route your connector behind this right here and around so nothing gets caught in your airbag when you go to pop it in. So now this is the interesting part. After you got these all in, make sure they're nice and secured, you can then put in your T20s or 15s, where the hell they are. So one nice thing about Mopar, they labeled these R and L, right and left. Just gonna take this And I wanted to say I was going to push that back in there, but I think I'll fool with that around when I'm not holding a phone in one hand. So now, nope, now I got it. Just push that sucker back into place. So now you want to take your airbag. You're supposed to be able to push it right back into place, which feels sketchy. So, you're supposed to be able to just push it. What the frick? Okay, so not sure what I'm gonna edit out of there, but I was fighting it. I kept on pushing it. Literally, as soon as I put down the phone, used both hands, pushed it hard, it popped back into place. So we got our steering wheel back in place. Got the paddle shifters. Now I got to put my one little cover right here. Okay, so we're gonna. And so in the next portion, you're gonna want to use. I'm not sure if there's anything else, but I'm going to be using when it comes in the mail, so this video will actually be even longer take than what I thought, because I ordered the Tazer 10 days ago, still haven't gotten it. Apparently they're just now going to ship it to me. So we're going to go ahead and hook up the battery, get this car started, show the steering wheel still works and all the buttons still work. Not sure if if these will work without me enabling the paddle shifter itself, so we'll find that out. Alright guys, we're back. Got the Tazer put in. Welcome to Shaky Cam. My GoPro is acting like a, yeah. So, excuse me for my crappy recording. I know the Tazer's working. I had performance pages. I have an RT. I should not have this. So what you would want to do, you want to go to audio. You hold your left arrow and press cancel and let go, and then you go to performance and you go to paddles. I put mine on yes, and you do have to do full reboot. That's one thing you need to keep in mind, is do a full reboot. So we're gonna pop her in reverse. And let's find out if this puppy's gonna work. Alright. We're in drive. It's a manual. Not sure how well you can hear the car, so I'll roll down the window. So don't mind the wind noise. And let's find out if this works. Which it does. So that's pretty cool. Now let's test the downshift. Now upshift. Works good. And then we've got the performance pages running. So I think this is pretty cool. Definitely if you like the feel and you like doing stuff with your car, I highly suggest putting paddle shifters in. The Tazer will run you about $250 unless you did what I did. I found when they had the Tazer on, like, it's not necessarily up for sale. The Tazer, I bought a refurbished one. It's like $160, I think, or $180. So you definitely save some money if you do that. I think it's like $169 after tax, or $172 after shipping as well. So definitely, I'd say if you guys like the stuff, you can do a lot of cool features, and I might highlight that later on. But for now, take care, guys. Sorry for the shaky cam, but GoPro's being annoying, and I'm sick of trying to screw with it. I want this stuff to work. Have a good day, guys.